Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Jamal TV, Jamal Engineering TV. This is the ongoing Raft foundation, and the installation of the reinforcement is ongoing by the iron bender. As I told you, this is a design I told you I did, because we have to change the pad foundation to Raft foundation because of the nature of the soil. This is two suspended floor that we are doing the terraces, and the buildings are the building is made up of 4 units of terraces. 4 units of terraces. As you can see, the iron benders are on site working. The carpenters are also on site working, and the plumbers are also on site working. Now, this Raft foundation, the depth of our beam is 1.7. Our stirrups are whitened at the space of 250. As you can see, our bottom reinforcement, most of them are Y16. 3 and 4 Y16, as you can see them. All right, and our top reinforcement, most of them are Y20 all through. Most of them are Y20 all through. You can see all the top reinforcements here. Okay, now our spacer bar, they are Y12. This is the one I'm talking about. Y12, they are 6 in number. They are 6 in number at the interval of 200. So this is the Raft foundation. This is the Raft foundation beam. This is the Raft foundation beam. So I want you to learn. This is what we call the concrete cover. This is the concrete cover. This is the concrete cover. Away from the lean concrete. This is the lean concrete. This is the lean concrete. This one, we call it blinding. In a layman language, this is blinding, but this is the lean concrete. Then we have the concrete cover of 50 mm to avoid any dirty between the blinding and the reinforcement, so we don't have corrosion. So you can see that is what we are doing. And like I told you before, in between the two beams, we don't need to blind everywhere. We don't need to pour concrete everywhere. So that is why you can see there is a gap in between each of the panels of the slab. You can see there is a gap there. We only blind along the grid where we have beams. Then I remember that I told you that we have 2 types of Raft foundation. So this is not a full Raft foundation because we don't have slab at the bottom. Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can learn from this project. Raft foundation, very, very important. Subscribe to Jamal TV so you can learn from the ongoing projects in Abuja and around the country. If there is any question or comment, you can drop it on our comments, and then we'll you'll get response as soon as possible. Because of the topography of the environment, you can see that between unit 1 where I'm standing to unit 2, we have a step up of 450 mm. The same thing when you go to unit 2 to go to unit 3, we have a step up there before you get to unit 3. The same thing for unit 4. So it's because of the topography of this environment, that is what we have. On unit 1, we have not done the reinforcement. This is the unit 1. We have not done the reinforcement. This is the unit 2. The installation is ongoing. The carpenter are also working. This is the three. The iron benders are working. Iron benders are working. So subscribe to Jamal Engineering TV so you can learn from our experiences. Thank you. See you again.